Good afternoon, ABR-MarketWatch viewers. Today, a roller coaster ride in the markets as we grapple with a mix of economic data, Fed remarks, and geopolitical uncertainty. Wall Street's main indexes dropped for a third consecutive day, as investors reassessed expectations for an interest rate cut next month. The U.S. economy showed robust growth in Q2, driven by lower imports and increased consumer spending, yet new orders for key U.S. manufactured goods unexpectedly rose in August. This data precedes the release of the Personal Consumption Expenditures Index, a crucial inflation gauge, due out tomorrow. Federal Reserve President Austin Goolsbee expressed caution about further policy easing given current inflation levels. The odds of a 25 bps interest rate cut next month have dropped significantly from 91.9% to 83.4%. Unemployment claims were lower than expected, causing some investors to question whether the Federal Reserve might delay further rate cuts in October and December. Major indexes dipped, Nasdaq 1%, S&P 500 0.7%, and Dow 0.3%. The 10-year U.S. Treasury yield reached a 3-week high at 4.195%. Consumer discretionary suffered the most, led by a 23% drop in CarMax shares due to softening demand in the used car market. Real estate, energy, and consumer staple sectors saw gains. Investors are now closely watching tomorrow's release of the Personal Consumption Expenditures Index, the Fed's preferred inflation measure, for insights into potential interest rate movements. A potential government shutdown in Washington has added to concerns, as it could disrupt crucial economic data and increase market volatility. On the brighter side, European shares remain stable but in a narrow range. The overall sentiment remains sensitive to economic indicators and Fed messaging, making the upcoming data crucial for shaping market direction. In brief, a robust economy, yet cautious Fed remarks have led to a dip in Wall Street's main indexes, with tech stocks taking a significant hit. Investors are now eagerly awaiting tomorrow's release of the Personal Consumption Expenditures Index and the outcome of budget negotiations to shape market direction. Stay tuned for more updates from ABR MarketWatch.